Hi friends, today we are studying an interesting thing. Every time you have confusion about this thing. What is that? Yes, indirect speech. What is reported speech or direct speech? Now we are studying that. Okay. Where we use this indirect speech or reported speech? Yes, that's in newspaper, especially in newspaper. We heard that the Prime Minister said that we had solved all problems. These types of sentence that we are calling reporter speech. Yes, the news reporters, they are doing the reporting. Okay, so these types of things we have seen something or we heard something, we want to report some that to another person. This time we are using this type reporter speech or indirect speech. Okay, in daily life that is very important, in communication that is very important. Okay, so we must study that. When we want a good English, we have to study this indirect speech or reporter speech. So shall we go? Okay, reported speech. Reporter speech. Can I take one example? Yes. Okay, that is which example? Yes, for direct speech. Yes, when we change this from direct speech to indirect speech, okay, we need a direct speech for reporter speech or indirect speech. Reporter speech or indirect speech, both are same. Okay, we are reporting, making the sentence as indirect, the dialogue as indirect. That is the main difference. Okay, very easy. Okay, John said, I eat what? Okay, ice cream now. Okay, look that. What are the qualities of this sentence? Yes, John said, there is one person. He is saying the direct dialogue. There is no change, nothing. There is no change. I eat ice cream now. Okay, I eat ice cream now. So we want to report that to John. He is eating ice cream. No, it's not good. How to change that? Yes. First of all, we have to write his name. John said. Then we have to avoid all punctuation marks. How to avoid all punctuation? These all punctuation, these quotation marks, these comma, everything we have to avoid. If there is any exclamation mark, we have to avoid that thing. Okay, said. Here we need any connecting words with this sentence, but here we want, in this indirect speech or reporter speech, we need one connecting word when that is said or told. That is that. Yes, John said that. Next thing we have to understand, John, that is first person. I is first person. We have to change that to third person. What is the third person of I? Yes, John, he is a male, so that is he. Next, this is present tense. Then what is the past tense of eat? Yes, past tense, ate. Ice cream. Okay, there is no change. Now, then. Yes, now, then. Look at this. John said that he ate ice cream then. Okay, look at this. Now we want to study, that is in the four types of sentence in English. Which are the four types of sentence in English? First one, assertive sentence. What is assertive? Statements. For example, Narendra Modi is India's Prime Minister, as one example. Okay, that's a statement. The second, that is Okay, I will write. There are 4 types of sentence in English. We can change that 4 types of sentence in reported speech. Okay, 4 types of sentence in English. Okay, first one, statements. Statements, as we know, statements. Second one, imperatives. Shut your mouth. Oh, please help me. These types of sentence, what do we call? Please help me. Yes, that is imperatives. That is request, command, order. Shut your mouth. These types of sentence we are calling imperatives. The next one, oh alas, that was a terrible accident. Wow, that was a wonderful film. Okay, this type of, we feel something, our feeling, that is exclamatory sentence. What is that? Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory. Then the last one, which is the last one, we discussed 3 types of sentence. Did we leave anything? Yes, that is, did we leave anything? There is questions, but in English sentence format that is knowing another name. What is that? Yes, interrogatives. But here we are not going to discuss about this sentence and as other formats. We are just going through this, and next we are going to the how we can change these 4 types of sentence into indirect speech. So first we are going to study the statements or assertives. Assertives, it's another name. Assertives to indirect speech. Okay, first of all, the statements to, that is direct speech to indirect speech. Here we have first to discuss, that is statements. I give you one example. Sachin said to me, you are a good man, close inverted comma, and there is one comma. Okay, this is direct speech. What is this? Direct speech. Then how to change this reported speech? I give Sachin. Okay, Sachin, that we know. Sachin said to. In indirect speech or reported speech, said to change as told. What? Told. Then said to whom? Yes, me. That is, me means I. Told me. The next, what is the connection word? Yes, that is that. That. Sachin told me that. The next, to whom he said? To me. So you to change as I. What? I. Then are. What is the past tense when it is I? That is no. That is impossible condition. Then it is was. Look at that. I was. Why? Here it is past. Okay. For example, if it is says, there is no need to change. Or tell, there is no need to change. But his say plus did said. Tell plus did told. Okay, that is past. So we have to change was. I was a good man. Okay, today it is enough. The next class we are going to study in each tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, and that all tense, how to change these sentences to past tense or reported speech. Okay, have a nice day. If you like my class, please subscribe and support, like, share. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.